Discover the engineering brilliance at Mr. Tech. Each homemade wood splitter combines precision, durability, and innovation, making your task faster and safer. It's craftsmanship that marries function with design, perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Odor 3 kilowatt splitter, operating at 1400 RPM, delivers unmatched precision. Its sharp conical head is engineered for optimal performance, easily tackling even the toughest tree stumps. With premium Mosherin raw wood ash as a finishing touch, it's a professional's go-to combination for efficient wood processing. A chainsaw cutting rack offers unparalleled safety and dependability, making it the smarter choice for wood splitting. By minimizing hazards and maximizing control, it ensures a safer and more efficient workflow for both amateurs and pros alike. At first glance, you might think this woodcutter is a decoration, bright, bold, and full of character. But the moment you see it in action, it's a game changer. The smooth, precise cuts it delivers are mesmerizing, proving that beauty and strength can coexist in perfect harmony. This homemade splitter employs an advanced design, far superior to the conventional screw approach. Its reinforced build allows it to tackle even the toughest knots with ease. By minimizing manual effort, it combines strength and practicality, offering exceptional performance for seasoned woodworkers. The decision to create a homemade wood splitter with anti-jamming and safety features reflects a mastery of engineering and practical needs. This innovative approach minimizes downtime and maximizes productivity, proving to be a reliable choice for wood processing. Designed with functionality in mind, This homemade woodcutter leverages diesel efficiency and tractor power. It's a perfect blend of cost-effectiveness and utility, proving how tailored engineering can outperform commercial options in specific tasks. The first trial of the dual chainsaw splitter was solid, but there is room for improvement. Adding a conveyor belt and saw housing will not only speed up the process, but also reduce the hassle of handling the logs. It's a small fix for a massive upgrade. What if I told you that a 4-kilowatt motor could change the way you look at firewood splitting? With this screw-driven monster, you'll never have to struggle with stubborn logs again. The twist? It doesn't just split the wood, it does it with such finesse that you'll be amazed at how effortless the process becomes. As a woodworking pro, this box-shaped splitter with its self-cleaning ram is a game changer. It's the perfect blend of design and practicality. The simple action of pulling the arm back activates the cleaning process, allowing you to focus your energy on other tasks. Logs up to 5 meters long, ready to be transformed into perfect firewood for the stove, with an automatic saw splitter that can handle any diameter. There's no limit to diameter, as the cone splitter has changed everything. This technology processes large wood easily and efficiently. A gas-powered circular saw is built for those who demand precision and power. With its superior cutting capacity and mobility, it's ideal for tough jobs where electricity might fail you. Whether you're cutting thick timber or making quick crosscuts, this saw gives you unmatched reliability and performance. Ever tried tackling those enormous tree roots? They can be a nightmare until now. This custom-built root splitter is your ultimate solution, handling even the thickest, most stubborn roots with power and precision. No more struggling. It's time to split through the toughest challenges. The buildup of pressure in an automatic saw machine can cause serious issues, especially when the feed system reacts unexpectedly. This mechanism ensures that if a blockage occurs, the system won't lose control. It's how a stable and safe operating environment is created, preventing risks. Effortlessly split wood with this semi-automatic splitter. Dividing logs into 4 parts in a blink, it automatically returns the wedge after each cut, working wonders on logs up to 30 centimeters, saving time and your back. This firewood chipper may look small, but don't be fooled. It packs a punch. With an engine that works swiftly and efficiently, it delivers cuts as thick as 80 millimeters with precision. Fast, clean, and ready to take on the toughest logs without hesitation. This self-propelled wood chipper redefines efficiency. With a powerful 3-kilowatt electric motor handling branches up to 50 millimeters in diameter and a 6.5 horsepower combustion engine for the drive, it promises unmatched cutting power. No more struggle, just precision at your fingertips.
Paliczki fajne.
To super.
Cutting wood with a homemade mobile sawmill isn't just a task, it's an adventure. Feel the raw power as the blade glides through the log, turning rough timber into perfect planks in no time. This machine, crafted by your hands, isn't just a tool, it's a testament to ingenuity and raw strength. Ready for a revolution in wood splitting? The 35 horsepower eucalyptus blue gum wood splitter is fully equipped with all the features you need: a lifting system, rotating disc cleaning machine, and an automatic feeding system. It's like having a team of machines working together, making it easier for you to get the job done efficiently. This hand-operated firewood cutting machine is the solution for you. With a sturdy frame, 4 wheels, an adjustable saw holder, and a remote throttle system, it simplifies the entire cutting process. Plus, the quick release system allows for easy blade changes, boosting work efficiency and ensuring safety.
Not that one.
A steam engine and a sawmill were destroyed, buried by a storm in time. Two relics thought to be beyond repair. But no problem is too big to solve. Replacing the wooden beams and restoring the engine wasn't easy, but it was worth every minute. Now they operate, overcoming every challenge. When it comes to splitting small wood indoors, precision and safety are key. And this drill hammer splitter delivers on both fronts. With the ability to quickly and efficiently split logs, it's the ideal tool for any woodworker looking to streamline their process and improve their output. Watch in awe as the firewood splitter crushes through thick logs with ease. In mere moments, it transforms heavy, stubborn wood into perfectly split firewood, showcasing both strength and precision. With minimal effort, it handles even the hardest wood, saving you time and muscle. This is efficiency at its finest. A homemade wood splitter, not only efficient, but also a testament to your own creativity. It's not just about splitting wood, it's about the power of craftsmanship. Each cut is a victory. This machine isn't just a tool, it's proof of creativity and perseverance. Are you ready to build it yourself? The County Line 32-ton vertical log splitter is a beast in the field, slicing through massive logs like a hot knife through butter. When power meets precision, this machine doesn't just split wood, it conquers it. Its raw force and efficiency ensure your wood splitting tasks are handled swiftly and with ease. Everything's running smoothly with your custom wood processor until the moment you trip, and suddenly the piston's free. One small slip can turn a perfect setup into an unexpected mess. Don't let that be the plot twist. Secure your machine. The Husqvarna 365, coupled with a custom-built log stand, maximizes efficiency and minimizes risks. Its robust engine handles high workloads, while the stand enhances stability and operator comfort. Together, they offer a professional-grade solution for streamlined wood processing. The cone splitter excels at tackling tough logs with ease, but its ergonomic design needs improvement. Increasing the height will reduce back strain during extended use, optimizing both user comfort and productivity. A simple upgrade for maximum results. This concludes our exploration of the intriguing world of homemade machines. We encourage you to share your feedback in the comments section and subscribe to our channel for future updates.